just kind of showing you what I've been up to. I have been going through my closet and picking out some things that have just been hanging there because I didn't like the way that they fit. So what I've been doing is kind of like cutting out the necks, and it's the fashion right now to where I'm kind of like off the shoulder or whatever, but they're so much more comfy when you do that. I just got through cutting one of my sweatshirts just a second ago, and you can see how it's just gonna lay really, really nicely. Well, I have this Christmas little sweater that I can tell is just going to be like too tight around my neck. It's just gonna drive me nuts. So what I've decided is go on live and show you guys how I'm gonna cut this, okay? Isn't this cute? Look at this little shirt. Naughty, nice, whatever. Okay, so what I like to do, how I like to do it, is I like to get the side seams here and put the seams together, okay? And then turn the shirt sideways. And then I lay it, let's go down, hold on just a second. See if you can see. Okay, now, what I like to do is turn it sideways and then make sure that the collar is straight together on both sides. And then I also make sure that the seams are together so everything is even. Make sure that there's no bumps or anything like that. And then I usually like to go 2 finger widths from the collar part. So what I do is I place my fingers right here and I get the scissors here and I just start cutting. I hold on to it and I just cut 2 fingers width out. And that kind of keeps it straight. There we go. So when I cut that off, I turn it this way, and that's gonna be so much more comfy. I like to stretch it because it kind of ribs it. It gives it a ribbing effect. And then when you wash it, it's gonna rib itself and be more conducive to looking nicer. So that's gonna be a lot more comfy coming off the shoulder and more cute. So if you've got some clothes hanging in your closet that you're not wearing because they just don't feel just right, cut the collars out, girls. Just cut the collars out, put a little tank underneath. I even cut the bottom off of this one because it was really, really long and it was ribbed. I'm even thinking about cutting the ribbing off of my sleeves just to make it more comfy, because I wasn't wearing any of these sweatshirts until now, and I'm loving the sweatshirts, but I just didn't like how they feel, but now I do. So I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good one. Bye.